Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to our channel where we make English easy for everyone. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our amazing community of language enthusiasts. You won't want to miss out on our exciting content. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: the correct usage of do, does, and did. You know, these words can be a bit tricky sometimes, but fear not, we will make it super simple for you. First things first, let's understand the basics. Do, does, and did are all forms of the verb to do. In the simple present tense, we use do or does. It's just like the word go. When we talk about singular third-person subjects like he, she, it, or even names like Jack and Jane, we use does. For example, Jack does his homework every day, or she does her exercises in the morning. But when it comes to other subjects like I, you, we, they, or any plurals, we use do. For instance, I do a lot of work these days, or you do volunteer work on Sundays. And what about negatives? Easy peasy, we simply add not after do or does. For example, they do nothing at all, or Sarah and Jane don't like cats. Now, let's talk about the past tense. When we are referring to actions in the past, both do and does become did. For instance, I did my assignment last night, or the girls did ballet at school. And of course, negatives in the past tense are just as straightforward. We use did not or didn't. For instance, the car did not get cleaned yesterday. See, it's not as complicated as it seems. Just remember these simple rules and you'll be using do, does, and did like a pro. Before we wrap up, remember to practice using these words in sentences. Feel free to leave a few examples in the comment section below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We've got plenty more English tips and tricks coming your way.